Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning to everyone present for this session. Welcome to Sarosh Digital Learning. Science subject, class 7th, chapter number 17, Effects of Light. Students, take out your textbook, page number 113. Now let us recall when sun rays pass through a glass prism, what are the colors in the band of light seen on the other side of the prism? When sun rays pass through a glass prism, now what is prism, students? It is triangular in shape and it has 5 faces. It has 5 faces which is made up of glass. And what are the colors in the band of light seen on the other side of the prism? So students, the bands shows 7 colors. How many colors? 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, grey, yellow, orange and red. Okay students? You have learnt that light is composed of several colors. You must have also seen the dust particles in a beam of sunlight entering the house through a small window. We switch on the headlamps of a car when we drive through a thick fog. You might have seen the beams of those lamps. What do we really see? We see a beam of light. We see tiny dust particles floating in the beam. And that is why we are able to see the beam of light. We see a variety of shades of color in the early morning and evening sky. In the photographs also, which has been taken from space by satellites, the earth appears to be bluish. What is the cause of all these effects? Now students, when a ray of light is composed of several colors, scattering of light means to separate constituents of light or to spread light. And when the light rays hit the tiny particles of solid, liquid or gas, the constituent colors of light rays get scattered. These scattered rays enter our eyes, due to which we see the beam of light and the dust particles floating in it. When the sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered by the molecules of gas, or you can say gases like nitrogen, oxygen, etc. present in the atmosphere. And at this time, the blue color in the sunlight gets scattered the most on the earth, due to which the earth appears to be bluish in the photographs taken from space by satellites. At the time of sunset, the sun is near the horizon At this time, the sunlight travels greater distance through the layers of atmosphere to reach us. And during this journey, the blue color in the sunlight gets scattered the most. As there is less scattering of the red color in the sunlight, it directly reaches us. Thus, the sun appears red. Okay, students, this paragraph we have covered. Now, let us move towards the example or the experiment given here on page number 113. All the experiments using laser rays should be done under the supervision of the teacher. But sorry to say you students, I am not in front of you, but still I am sending the video of this. So try to understand and try to do this experiment at home so that you can easily understand this. So the apparatus or the requirements used for this is glass beaker, dyed laser, that is laser pointer, water, milk or milk powder, which is already available in most of the houses, so you can do this experiment and try to be with your parents so that it goes very smoothly. So for that, glass beaker, laser pointer, water, milk or milk powder, spoon, dropper, etc. You are going to take clear water in a glass beaker, pass a beam of laser rays through it and check whether the beam is seen in the water. Now use the dropper to add a few drops of milk to the water and you have to stir it in the beaker. The water will be seen to have become slightly turbid. Turbid means what? Little bit thickness will come in that. Now pass the laser beam into it again. A light beam will show the existence of light rays. A light beam is not seen in plain water but is clearly seen in slightly turbid water. This experiment is trying us to show that when we take the clear water and if a laser pointer is pointed towards that water, then you will be not able to see the light rays. Whereas if you take a turbid water which was made by taking few drops of milk and the light rays hit the tiny particles of milk and get scattered. If these scattered rays enter our eyes, we perceive the light. Here you can see figure 17.1, a beam of laser light. This is the beaker and this is the laser pointer. Turn page number 114. Instead of page number 114, instead of using milk, mix salt, sugar and detergent powder in separate beakers of water and observe whether a laser beam is seen in them. Okay, students, in the first experiment we have taken milk, drops of milk, and we have mixed in a water. So the water became little bit turbid. So instead of that, use salt, sugar and detergent powder in separate beakers of water and observe whether a laser beam is seen in them or not. When the sun rises, our surrounding appear illuminated. The entire sky appears bright. The entire sky appears bright. This happens because of the dust and the other tiny particles in the air. This is the scattering of sunlight by the tiny particles of the various constituents of air. Had there been no atmosphere on the earth, the sky would have appeared dark during the day, and of course the sun would be directly seen. This has been verified by observations from the rockets and satellites which go out of the Earth's atmosphere. Now here on page number 114, here it has been shown that when sun rises, our surrounding appear illuminated. That means the entire sky appears bright. And this happens just because of the dust and other tiny particles in the air. This is the scattering of sunlight by the tiny particles of the various constituents of air. And there being no atmosphere on earth, the sky would have appeared dark during the day, and of course the sun would be directly seen. And this has been verified by observations through rockets and satellites which go out of the Earth's atmosphere. So students, page number 113 and 1/4 part of page number 114 almost we have covered. Inshallah, the other part of the lesson will be continued in the next session, in the next period. So, thank you students. You might have understood this much part. Inshallah, will be continue in the next period. Thanks.